Hello boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another video today, and today I am at McDonald's. I will be trying out the McDonald's land cookies today. They are $2 today. Let's try it out. This year there will be a Q&A. If you have any questions for Q&A, please comment below. We do need some more questions for Q&A, please. I need at least 2 more questions. Anyway, let's try out these McDonald's cookies, and they look like faces like these. Let's try it. So here's what I got to say about the crunchy. They have some good flavoring in it. I only got one taste, and that is the flavor in it. Some great taste, some good flavoring. It's a bit hard to tell on this one. What I do like about it is that they got different designs of McDonald's on it, of different symbols. Like this one's a chip pack, this one is a burger, and this one is another one here. That's another thing what I like about it. So this one today for $2 for a good little snack, maybe in the afternoon or morning. For morning to afternoon tea, if you want to have some, I'd probably give it maybe a 7.8 out of 10 today. So boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next video. Bye everyone.
Can I say hi?